Hey everyone, super excited for our latest and greatest Tara's must-have. Hey everyone, I am Tara. What's a must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that is pretty and practical and purposeful. And besides my head being above the trees today, this is a no-brainer. So I have to tell you what I love about these. 12 ounces in total capacity. And we call them like our mini pie dishes or like our mini covered bakers. Love it for this time of year where you're still outside entertaining with your family. And so you want to keep the cover on to keep all the bugs out. And then before you know it, it'll be wintertime and it'll be snowing. I know. It'll be snowing and you will have done like a little individual apple pie in here. Hello. You're going to receive both of them. 12 ounces in total capacity, 2 lids. Love that. If you're picking up Old World, it has that rope detail that runs around the edges. I love the fluting of the little silhouette around the edge. And then if you're picking up Floral lace, it has the beading. So you're going to want to head over to temp-tations.com to check out the colors, both patterns, Old World and Floral lace. And they're under $15 for both. I love that. So if you want to pick up multiple sets, that's such a great idea. You could have 4, you could have 6, you know, you get the deal. So I love the fact that, you know, from prepping, cooking, serving, storing, it's our great stoneware. So this goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. It goes in the microwave. You can, of course, put it in the fridge or the freezer. So chill dips ahead of time if you wanted to. And the best part is it goes right in the dishwasher. These are so stinking cute. And if you're thinking about where am I going to stack them, I always love to just kind of invert the lids and tuck them away. Super easy to do that as well. All right, everybody, head over to temp-tations.com and check out our set of 2 mini bakers.